Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price and low miles. Features also include keyless ignition, leather seats, technology package, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof. Take a ride in the 2013 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.